no gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Alright, so we are doing Dollar General 5 off of 25 all digital scenario. Okay, so for this one, it's like a Dove deal. What we're gonna get the 12-ounce Dove, which is $4.50. We're gonna get a Dove deodorant, they're 1.6 ounce, which is $2. We're gonna get a big Soleil razor, which is $5.50 for this specific kind. We're gonna get a Always Discreet, which is $3. A Bengay, which is $4.85. Uh, um, a Leave Back and Muscle, which is $4.25, and we're going to get a Pampers Sensitive wipes, the 56 count, that is $2. So now we're going to see what deal we're going to come up with using getting these items. I'm tired, y'all. Y'all work with me. Okay, so the coupons that we need to clip our 5 off of 25, our $3 off for the Bengay. I had $1 off coupon for the Pamper White, just for one. That's an exclusive coupon. Our $2 off for the Always Discreet. Our $3 off for the Leave Back and Muscle. Our $4 off for the Big Soleil razor. And our 2 off of 6 on Dove product coupon. All of that gonna equal up to $26.10. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $21.10. The 2 off of 6 for the Dove products gonna come off, make it $19.10. And the $4 off for the Big Soleil razor gonna come off, make it $15.10. $2 gonna come off for the Always Discreet, make it $13.10. $3 gonna come off for the Bengay, make it $10.10. $3 gonna come off for the Leave Back and Muscle, make it $7.10. $1 gonna come off for the Pampers wipes, make it $6.10 for 7 items, making each item only 87 cents. Now, if you happen to have a Dove paper coupon, you can add that to this deal and make your out of pocket even lower. In my area, we don't get the Unilever coupons, so I don't have no paper coupons, to put with this. But if you do have paper coupons, I would suggest you to use them, of course. So just get to the next deal. Okay, now this is our all digital scenario number 2 that I came up with. Now for this, I am focused on cleaning supplies. I'm really getting the items that I need for my household. This, like I always say, this is an example. You don't have to do the same deals that I'm doing or get the same items that I'm getting. Okay, so what I'm getting for this deal, I'm going to get the Leave Back and Muscles, which is $4.25. The Essential Vitamin, which is $5. The Motrin, which is $4. A bleach, on Clorox bleach, the 55-ounce one, which is $2.50. I'm gonna get the Windex, the multi-surface is $3.25, and then I'm gonna get the regular Windex, which is $3. Always Discreet, which is $3. So these are the items that I'm getting because I need cleaning products, and this is how I'm gonna get my cleaning products basically. So just see what deal I came up with getting these items and using these coupons. Okay, so the coupons that we need to clip is at 5 off of 25, at 50 cents off for the Clorox product coupon, at $2 off for the Always Discreet, at $3 off for the Motrin medicine, at $1 off for 2 for the Windex. You can get scrubbing bubbles or the Drano, and at $4 off for the Central Vitamin, and at $3 off for the Leave Back and Muscle. All of that gonna equal up to $25. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20. The $4 off for the Central Vitamins gonna come off, make it $16. $3 gonna come off for the Leave Back and Muscles, make it $13. 50 cents gonna come off for the Clorox products, make it $12.50. $1 gonna come off for the Windex, make it $11.50. $3 gonna come off for the Motrin, make it $8.50. $2 gonna come off for the Always Discreet, make it $6.50 for 7 items, making each item only 92 cents. I feel like that's a great stock up price for cleaning products. That's how I'm using these high value coupons like the Centrum and the Leave and the Motrin. I'm using those coupons for to get the items that I actually need. Okay, like I said, there's an example. You don't have to go by on what I'm doing. Okay, so let's get to the next deal. Okay, so this is our all digital scenario number 3. Okay, now again, I said most of my scenario is kind of going around cleaning products. It's because that's mostly what I need. Okay, I don't really need no detergent or anything like that. Okay, so for this scenario, I'm getting the starter kit, which is $10. Where actually at my store that I'm going to is gonna be 10.25. I'm getting two of the refills, which is $5 a piece. A Motrin, which is $4. I need a dollar item, so I'm gonna go around cleaning products. Like I said, I need to stock up on cleaning products, so I'm gonna get the spam. That's a spick and span. I said spam. On the spick and span, which is a dollar. So let's see what deals that I can come up using these, getting these items. Okay. Okay, so the coupons you need to clip is your 5 off of 25, your $5 off for the Airwick on starter kit, your $3 off for the Motrin, and your BOGO coupons. Okay, so all those items going to equal up to $25.25. That 5 off of 25 going to come off, make it $20.25. The $5 off for the Airwick starter kit going to come off, make it $15.25. The $5 off for the BOGO Airwick refills gonna come off, make it $10.25. $3 gonna come off for the Motrin, make it $7.25 for 5 items, making each item only $1.45. I think that's a good deal for these items. So just get to the last deal. Okay, so this is our all digital scenario number 4. So this is the last scenario that I came up with. Again, I'm getting the items that I need, which is mostly cleaning products. Okay, so we're gonna need a Central Vitamin, which is $5, a Motrin, which is $4. We're gonna get 5 of those Lysol sprays. You can get the toilet bowl cleaner mix and match, just long you get $10 worth. Okay, you can get 2 of the Trident gum, the right guard sports, which is one, it's gonna be 185 at my store. The Aleve back and muscle, which is $4.25. Okay, so let's see what deals that we can come up with getting these items. Okay, so the coupons we need to clip is the 5 off of 25, the $3 off for the Aleve back and muscle, the dollar off for the right guard sports, the BOGO coupon for the Trident gum, the $3 off coupon for the Motrin, the $4 off for the Central Vitamins. Okay, so all those items are going to equal up to being $27.30. That $2 off of 10 for the Lysol promo gonna come off first, make it $25.30. And the 5 off of $25 general coupon gonna come off, make it $20.30. The BOGO coupon for the Trident gum gonna come off, make it $19.20. $3 gonna come off for the Aleve back and muscle, make it $16.20. A dollar gonna come off for the Right Guard Sports, make it $15.20. $4 gonna come off for the Central Vitamin, make it $11.20. $3 gonna come off for the Motrin, make it $8.20 for 11 items, making each item only 74 cents, which I feel is a great deal for us not to be having no coupons for the Lysol. Now, it might be coupons out there for the Lysol spray that you can use. I know it was some in the April 28th, but I think it's specifically only for the toilet bowl cleaner. I'm not sure. But I feel like these are some good deals. I did do a game deal like I think around Monday or Tuesday. So I'm going to just leave a clip or something of the game deal that I did, so you can go back to that for detergent. but I'm going by what I need, and I need cleaning supplies. So you don't have to follow this deal. You can venture out and do your own thing. This is just an example. So I hope everybody understand what I'm saying. I hope y'all like the deal. I'm sorry that it's so late, but y'all know I work. But anyway, please like, comment, subscribe, and please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things that people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you for all my teen shorties for sticking with me. Bye.